I'm just hearing some analysts saying that according to a lawyer, that yesterday Davido lost his patience in the courts. And some people are saying Davido is in court because he wants the full custody of his daughter, Imade, the daughter that he had with Sofia Momodu. Beautiful people. I mean, some people are not getting this whole story. Davido is not fighting for full custody of Imade. According to reports that enter my table, this same case that they were in court yesterday for was the same case they used to be in court for. It's not a new case. We've heard ever before now that Davido was fighting for co-parenting of this child, but the mother did not agree from the onset. So Davido took the matter to court that he wants to be part, like he wants to be in the life of this girl. People are now telling the whole thing now that Davido is requesting for full custody of this girl. It can't be. Davido cannot request for full custody of a child that's not up to 18 years. He has legal advisors that he will not get that. No judge will give him such. He is not fighting for full custody. According to a report I heard yesterday, while they were in court yesterday, a female lawyer, actually asked Davido how he said he can take care of this girl, Imade, when he lost his first son, in his house due to his own negligence. How is he sure that he can take care of this one if he is granted the custody? That's what got him angry. It's not that he's fighting for full custody. I didn't get it that way. The only thing they are dragging on now, we all know that court has granted him the co-parenting aspect, Court has said Davido can join Sofia Momodu to take care of this girl. Like they are co-parenting now. Why they are still having issues in court is that Sofia Momodu said that her daughter cannot sleep in Davido's house overnight. One of the arguments of Sofia Momodu said that Davido can only come anytime he wants to see his daughter, that he can come to his house and see his daughter, carry this girl out, and they can tour around Lagos. But once it is evening, Davido should return this girl back to her. That this girl will always sleep in her house. That's the number one point. That's what Sofia Momodu said. Another thing is that she said when Davido want to carry this girl, if Davido is coming to take this girl, Davido cannot just do that if there is nobody that will go out with him with this girl. That each time he wants to carry this girl, he must make sure that there will be somebody from the family of Sofia Momodu that will go with them. Like he will carry this girl with her nanny, her grandparents. Also, somebody from the mother's side must always follow Davido if he wants to carry this girl out. That's the number 2 point. And number 3 point is that he cannot travel out with this girl. Sofia Momodu say Davido cannot travel out of this country with her daughter. So these are the points that they were debating on in court. Until the lawyer now asks Davido why he is insisting that this girl can sleep over in his house. When Davido now got pissed off, and they said, according to the lawyer that posted the report that he lost his patience in court yesterday. So beautiful people, Davido's lawyer on the other side has been saying that he is not saying that this girl will be in Davido's house. Paraventure, Davido want to take him home, like for some time. That this girl is going to stay with Davido's parents. They stay in Davido's father's house. That Davido's father have a house in Atlanta. Davido too has his own house. That this girl can travel with Davido and stay with her grandparents, her grandfather. Yes, her grandfather. And when this girl will be in Davido's father's house, that Chioma will not be there. Knowing fully that Chioma and Sofia Momodu are not they are not in talking terms. Like they are not in good relationship. Davido understand all that. And he now said he's not saying that this girl should come and stay with Chioma in the house. That he wants the permission that this girl can be with him and be in his father's house. Sofia Momodu say no, whether in your father's house or in your own house. I say my daughter cannot travel out. My daughter cannot sleep in your house or your father's house overnight. And that is where they were arguing. That is where the arguments came from. Beautiful people. I don't know why people are saying that Davido is fighting for full custody. Davido cannot fight for full custody of this child. He knows that. He has legal advisor that will tell him what to do. But in this case now, the judge that is going to handle this case is going to be very, very smart, because it's a very critical case. They say they have a lot of arguments in court yesterday. To the extent there was a time they had to first send Davido out. And when he came back, they asked him to apologize to the female lawyer whom he was having arguments with, he was having issues with, okay, who has actually questioned him. And after that, they say he should apologize to the court, and he did. So I don't know why people are just carrying this story left and right the way it is. Okay, so that's just it. Davido is not fighting for full custody. He has been fighting for co-parenting, that he wants to Sofia Momodu to take care of this girl. Okay, this is the same case. That case has not come to an end. You know, there was a time that Davido abandoned this case because of this issue of his late child that came in also. Okay, so they said it was the school now that brought this, that called him again, that he now went to court and carried this girl along. That was how he was given the opportunity to join Sofia Momodu to co-parent the care of this girl. So I don't know why people are just twisting. That case, I know, hasn't come to an end. That's the same case that they were for in court. It has not even come to an end till now. I don't know. Anyway, beautiful people, I'll end this video here. See you guys in my next one. Bye.